Hi everybody. You know what? The difference, okay, because this is my first time to buy the stuff on the Black Friday day. So this, I have never bought anything from my life for the Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. The difference is that I usually remember I told you this most of the time I bought the new stuff. They have the screen they go with the plastic paper, but this one is none. The second thing I noticed is you see the box it seems open back and forth too many. That's why the light here is kinda I feel like it's flashy. That's my opinion. I don't know. I don't know. It looks like you open back and forth too many times. That's why. That's I let you see how the difference because before whenever I need a stuff I go to buy. I didn't wait until Black Friday. I never buy anything on a Black Friday. This is my first time to buy. That's my first estimate too. Thank you.